Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to view the people who like you on Tinder without needing Tinder Gold. But before we get started, please remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our upcoming videos. Let's dive in. First, ensure that your Tinder app is up to date. Open Tinder, where you'll see profiles of potential matches. However, to see who likes you without Tinder Gold, you'll need to access the Explore feature, which is similar to TikTok or Instagram Explorer. Instead of going for the Tinder Gold option, open Tinder from your browser on your PC or laptop. When you click on Explore, you'll find a left side menu that lets you see the people who like you without requiring Tinder Gold. That's it. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more videos in the future. Goodbye.